Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can submit your post to the hunt on Dress to Impress. So for instance, you want to submit this outfit to the cute theme. You're just going to go here or wherever you want to take the picture, strike a pose, and then select this camera icon. Then you are going to select submit to the hunt, select a category. So this one's like cute, for instance. And then you're going to select this and you're going to press submit, and it's going to be submitted to the hunt. It's just a cute Halloween event that they have. I don't really know what you get from it, but just try. I do this like every single day with a different theme because I think it's something like fun to do in free play mode. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.